Let's talk about infection. When I'm saying infection, I'm referring to sexual infection or sexual transmitted infection when it comes to gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, white in ladies, and all of those. Apart from HPV, that we all know it is not curable. Apart from this one, and HIV is all other sexual infection. We in Rich Away Herbal Tips, we have the solution to that. So when you are a man growing from a stage, you knew how bigger your manhood, has become. And when you got to a certain stage, you also realize that the size of your manhood has drastically decreased in size. So when this happens to every single man, he become worried, and that you finding solution, and the only solution that they find is to look out for anything that can bring out the size in order to gain their confidence level. One of the biggest problem that causes this shrinkage on the manhood has to do with infection, especially infection like gonorrhea and syphilis. If you are a man, anytime you are there, you sometimes feel itching in your manhood. Anytime you are there, whenever you are urinating, the urine doesn't go straight as it is supposed to be, but it sprinkles. Sometimes it comes in the forms of what? Showering. If you are there, whenever you are meeting a partner and doing the process, whenever you are about to ejaculate, you feel some kind of slight pains. As a man, whenever you are there, you feel that something is moving inside the manhood. There's a movement inside the manhood. As a man, whenever you are there, you feel burning sensations in your manhood. As a man, whenever you are there, you feel kind of itchiness in the manhood. You also feel sharp pains in the manhood. Sometimes you also feel pains in the testicle. Inside the glands of the manhood, you feel some kind of sweetness. Sometimes it is that kind of sweetness, and at the same time, painful as well. You should know that you have infection. Whenever you're there, you see rashes all over around the private part over there. You see rashes. Some of the rashes, when you burst them, you feel pains, and some also when you burst them, you feel some kind of sweetness. So it eats you whilst you are bursting them. You should know you have infection. Infection reduces the level of erection in a man. If you are a man and you have erection, you do have erection, but you get to a certain point, your erection is down, and you know you have infection. You should know it's as a result of the infection. No man having infection can perform good in bed. Okay? You see, so when this is happening to you, most of you go to hospitals. Yes, the hospitals has the solution, but it is not everybody that the hospital has a solution for, because everybody with how their system reacts to treatment. Okay, there are people who are living with infection for years. You see, when going to the hospital, you realize that after taking the injection for some time, you'll be okay. Time to come, the problem is becoming worse than before. There are people living with infection for years, for many years now. If you are a man, you have infection can also cause your sperm become watery, and that you cannot impregnate your wife. Infection also leads to that. Listen to me. If today happens to be the very first time you're watching me, don't forget to tap on the plus sign and follow me. Share this video. Many guys are going through a lot. Infection also causes the libido to become very lower, and that you don't you don't have any feelings for any other person. Your woman again. You see your woman behind you like a fellow man. A woman having infection, most of you can never get a good man. One of the reasons why some of you, as beautiful as you are, with your fashion, no man is staying with you. Man will run away from you. Some will not even tell you this is the problem, but they will keep you and run away. They are scared to tell you. Especially some of you women who has okra mouth. Back. You talk, back. Some of you don't, you don't respect, you talk anyhow. If that man, come across this problem, he won't mind you because he's scared to tell you, because he knows definitely if he tells you, problem will come. The best solution for him is to run away from you. A woman having infection, you see, all that I just mentioned, the pain, the sharp pains, the burning sensation, the itchiness, and those things, women also have the same thing. And women, when you have infection, most of you cannot conceive pregnancy. You cannot conceive. One of the reasons why most of you ladies are looking for babies but you're not getting pregnant is that you have infection. There are infections that you can also have in the womb that can prevent you from getting pregnant. Especially a woman who has once, aborted before. If you once aborted before, and the abortion process, everything didn't come out, all the blood, the spot blood didn't come out, the damaged blood didn't come out well, some remains inside, you have an issue. If that has been a problem, our sister, my brother, get this gene powder, which is also known as general well-being powder, alongside the manpower. One cannot use the powder without the manpower. When it comes to infection, the problem is infection. You are treating it, no matter what it is. You need a herbal product, but not every herbal product that is going to work for you. The only herbal product, or one of the best, yes, let me use it this way, one of the best herbal products in the market you can use and is going to work for you and is working for people as well, is these two products. One will say, can a woman also take the manpower? Disregard the name. We only give it the name manpower. The fact that it is manpower doesn't mean that man cannot take it. Woman cannot take it. Women who cannot take alcohol, you can use Sprite to soak it. This is just for the preparation of the powder. Just 1 teaspoon to warm water. My own. This is my own. 1 teaspoon into warm water. My brother, my sister, you take it. 1 teaspoon into warm water. If you wake up early morning, my brother, my sister, take this one. Like this is my tea. This is my normal tea. The manpower. I will also send you a video. When you get a product, there are instructions on the product. You read. Go to this. Do this and thank me later. My name is King Richie. This is Rich Herbal Tips.